Is anyone home? Let's see. Hello! Hey! Just as I remember it. The kitchen of old. Hobos are not appropriate, that boat. The Center for Disease Control and Recreational Hobo Delivery. Good knowledge to have. Look there. Wow. That in the industry is what we like to call a smoke screen. Because when you wedge something like, that box spring mattress up against it, it allows no smoke or heat to get through. And let's see what we have behind door number 3 right here. Behind this quaint little BMX. What do we have? We have Romp and Stomp and Destruction. There's a perfectly shaped hammer hole, which was brought to you by the wonderness of inebriation. Yes, we turn off the lights, get stoned and drunk, and whip hammers through the walls, as safe as that sounds. I'm sure by the time, I ever get to do that again, I'll decide against it, because it wouldn't seem quite safe, but it does seem safe now. The folly of youth. We've really destroyed this place, but it's my home sweet home. So, yeah, Andrew, this is what this part of the house looks like now. There's a hole that goes to the living room. Let's get her done, my friends. Let's all get her done.